So if we're just taking a quick look at Soon here on the daily time frame, really looking like we are shaping up very, very nicely for a big move to the upside soon. Obviously, I've outlined the previous impulse that we did see from the low to the high here with this very, very nice and it's signifying yellow line here. We basically came from that swing low down here at around, God, what we're at. I don't even know what this is. This is a 1/7 of a 1/10 of a cent, basically. Let's just say a 1/10 of a cent. Obviously, we pumped all the way up to 4 cents almost. 3.5 cents here at this swing high. So basically around a 40x if you count from here to here. A really, really crazy gain off that low. If we use this measuring tool, you can see we've actually done around a 42, 43x off that low. So crazy gains for Soon, obviously. And the market cap's still sitting at around, we're under 2 million, aren't we? I think we're around 1.5 million right now. And if you think that the supply is going to get cut like an absolute beast going into this bull market, 70% of the supply will be gone by the time the bull market's over, most likely. And with such a low market cap as well, this thing's coiling up like a beast inside this very, very nice little pennant formation here. You can see we obviously came up, made the swing high, made the swing low, swing high, retested the low. We've retested the high again recently. Now we're sitting at this Fibonacci level. Let me just pull this out actually, because I do need to make sure that this is visible and current. There we go, that's looking a bit cleaner, isn't it? So you can see we've obviously come back into this Fibonacci level again, the 050, and into this previous area of structure. Looking like we're back testing in this area, but really, we've just been going sideways like this, haven't we? Waiting for our time to move to the upside. And if we look at the next potential impulse, if it is the same or similar to the previous impulse here, measuring from that low to the high of that previous impulse here, if we see ourselves moving up again in a similar manner, not saying this is going to happen, but even just getting up towards that 127 Fibonacci extension, the next impulse could take us well over that previous all-time high and up to around, what are we looking at here, 60 cents. This would actually take us up to a crazy swing high. I think we're looking what we're looking at here in terms of market cap. We're really only going to be like probably getting up towards 100 million. Obviously, if we do another 40-50x from the current price, anywhere from 50 to 100 million market cap, which is really very small compared to the potential of projects like this, launchpad projects in the gaming space going into the gaming bull run, the gaming AI bull run that everyone's touting and looking for. And considering how well these have segued into the gaming space, the amount of partnerships they've got, the token circulating supply is going to get absolutely slashed down to oblivion. I could easily see this getting up towards $1, maybe even beyond that, depending on how well this bull market goes in general. But right now, as I said, coiling up, looking really super tasty in this local area. I'm going to be holding this probably up and towards $1 before I really start taking any profits. I'm very confident that cryptos like this are going to do very well going into the next bull market, and I'm happy to let this ride as we continue going through the bull market and all that money starts to segue into these super small micro cap gaming projects, because they are going to do very well this bull run. That's where most of my funds are allocated, so let's see what happens next.